I am, I was making sure I wasn't standing in front of the sun. And I am a PhD student at the University of Missouri, and I study, well, I consider myself an ecologist. I study two biotic organisms that interact. Do you guys know how you have microbes in your gut that help you digest food? Have you heard about that? Okay, so plants have a whole microbial community on their plant roots that helps them get nutrients and water. And I study one of those microbes. It's called mycorrhizal fungi, and it lives on like 90% of all land plants on Earth, but we don't know that much about it. It's like under our feet all over the place right now. And it helps the plant get nutrients and water the plant can't get on its own in exchange for some of the plant's sugar. So if both organisms are getting something, does anybody know what we call that?
Mutualism.
Mutualism, that's right. So my whole lab studies mutualism. And I work in prairies and also in glades down in the Ozarks. So I also study how to use the microbes in the soil to help restore places that used to be agricultural fields back into prairies like this, which is really difficult to do. This is a really complex ecosystem.
My name is Andrew Kinslow. I'm also a graduate student, a doctoral student at the University of Missouri. I've been a high school teacher for a lot of years, and I've studied birds for about the last 20, and my real passion is incorporating bird research in with my high school classes that I've taught. And so I'm an ecologist also, interested in how birds in the environment are interacting, but also how we as a member, as a population, we as a species interacts and how our choices affect how things are happening.
I'm a professor in the Department of Biological Sciences here in Zoo, and I'm an ecologist, which means I study, big things, organisms in relation to their environment. I mainly work on savanna and grassland ecosystems, things that have lots of plants and large animals that eat those plants, and things like fire.
As a professional ecologist, a lot of the times when I ask a question, I really don't know the answer. And that's kind of the neat thing about these systems, is that when you get into it, once you get past the superficial level, there's a lot about plants and animals and natural communities we don't understand yet, which I think is exciting. You talk about physics, it's like, oh, Newton figured out a lot of that. Unless it's really small, we've got a really good handle on how that stuff works. Not to knock on physicists, but us ecologists, we have the real messy stuff ahead of us.
And I went to K-State, and then at K-State I got a degree in biology. Originally I went in as biochemistry, but I did not like chemistry at all in the slightest, so I dropped that pretty quickly and picked up biology. And right now I study savanna ecology, so it's been kind of a big shift as I'm going through to get to where I am today. I got excited about studying stuff on the prairie, and then eventually made my way here where now I study African systems, and this spring I'll get to go to Africa and actually check some stuff out there. I specifically study tree-grass interactions. When I'm going over there, I'm going to be looking at tree resprouting data resprouting effects after getting burned away or grazed or something being lost on it. But yeah, right now I'm studying tree-grass interaction and how trees can have access to water at a different depth than grasses do. So grasses have shorter roots, generally speaking, but they're really good at sucking up the water when it's available at shallow soils. So I've done an experiment where I've made water available only at deep water, so like deep in the soil profile, so only the trees should have access to it, and then looking at how the trees and grasses interact, even though there's only water.